Getting started. How to generate reports, by utilizing the report templates. The focus for this lesson is to illustrate how you can create reports by using the new and very powerful LabX report engine. We will present a quick overview of the reports and report template concept, as well as demonstrate to you the main report engine functionalities. We will conclude by showing you some available options of how to print, store and export a report. Before we take a look in the reporting functionalities, we would like to describe the main activities in LabX in a simplistic flow. As we have already described in a previous lesson, you can design and describe a daily job in your laboratory by utilizing a method. Once the method is posted for execution, LabX will automatically create a task. A task is the placeholder in LabX, where all the information required by your method is held. A task can be carried out on one or several instruments, will instruct users to enter information, and will also collect all necessary requested information, such as instrument measurements, typed in values, user information and much more. Once a task is complete, the data are stored centrally at the LabX server. At any time the user may request any kind of report, based on a pre-designed report template. A report template can be described as a pre-configured page layout, combining information on which data will be gathered, and how the data will be displayed in a report. In this illustrated example, we have used a funnel as a metaphor, where numerous diverse information is collected and transformed into a specific, focused report. Reports can combine several elements, such as charts, graphics, measurements, calculations, as well as specific information on instruments, such as performed adjustments and tests. A user may have several report templates, one for every purpose of use, making it very easy and quick in transforming the same stored data to a different style of report. LabX provides extensive options in storing and exporting reports. Some of the available options, for example, are to save reports in PDF format, print on network printers, export to Microsoft Excel, or alternatively save the reports in LabX for later use. Before we create a report, we will firstly need to build a report template by navigating at the system workspace. To create the new report template, simply press the appropriate button at the ribbon. The system comes with some existing report template models, as we can see at this illustrated screen. These pre-configured models will help you to quickly start up your report template. There are two main options available when creating report templates: the Advanced Report Designer and the Report Editor. The Advanced Report Designer is utilized when more complex and demanding report formatting is required. We will cover this topic in another lesson. The Report Editor is the option most commonly used, and will form the topic for the next few minutes. For our training purposes, we will create a measurement report, and therefore we will need to select the Balance Measurement Report model. This is the LabX Report Template Editor. On the left and central area of the screen, you will find the Report Preview window, where all layout modification and configurations are immediately reflected. All the reports are constructed from a series of simple data sections. In this illustration, we can clearly see 5 distinct sections: Methods, Balance Measurement Results, Main Results, and 2 further section of Balance Tests, Repeatability and Sensitivity. At the right-hand side of your display, you will find the Data Sections configuration panel. The panel have 2 distinct areas. The top half is the area where you can decide which of the report data sections apply to your template configuration. At the bottom half of the panel, you will find the Data Section Content Configuration area. Here, you can define which information of the selected data section will be displayed in your report. For example, let us assume that we would like to remove the methods data section from our report template. We need to highlight the methods data section and deselect the appropriate tick box. We can see at the report preview, the data section is immediately hidden away. To restore the hidden method area, simply tick the method checkbox. The methods data section is immediately reinstated. Let us now assume that we would like to remove all secondary ID information from the main results section. We need to select the desired section, and then remove the IDs. Pay attention at the IDs as they disappear from our report template at the preview window. Another useful functionality in the Report Designer is the ability to reorder the data sections. In our example, we wish to promote the main results section to a higher position. We simply need to click the Up button, and the highlighted section immediately is promoted. Another simple but very useful functionality is the ability to change logos in the reports. To do this, simply press the logo button to navigate to the desired file. Select the file and click on Open. Your new logo is immediately shown in the template preview window. Once we have concluded with all our required report template configuration, we need to give a name to our template. Remember, you can always go back to your templates at any time, and fine-tune to your desire. To give a name to the template, we need to move to the Properties tab of the report template. Select the Name text box, and give a name. And finally, select Save and Close. Your newly created report template is now available to be used to create reports. The reports are created for a given result, or a given result set. To locate our results, we need to navigate to the Data workspace. At this point, we select the desired result or result set. Once the result is selected, we need to click on the New Report button at the ribbon. The ribbon will automatically display all available report templates. In our case, we only have just created one, and therefore we select this template. A new report is created, according to our report template. We can further fine-tune this report, similarly as described before, by selecting the different data sections or the field configuration area. The report ribbon provides a range of versatile options. The report can be saved and stored centrally in LabX for later use, or directly select to print the report on any of the available configured printers in the system. There are several options available in helping with the document layout, such as margins and paper orientations, page colors and watermarks. Our new report engine also provides several options in exporting reports in a variety of formats. Simply select this option, the appropriate format, and your report will be automatically converted effortlessly in a few seconds. For our example, we will select to save and close the report. Once we select to save the report will be saved and can be viewed at any time, when selected from the appropriate list. In this presentation, we have shown you a quick overview of the main LabX activities when running a method. We have also shown you how to create a report template, and how to configure the template to fit your company's needs. Additionally, we have also presented how a report templates can be utilized to generate reports, how the reports can be further fine-tuned, and finally, the large options available in exporting your reports. Thank you for your time.